What are the effects of bruxism? Did you know that if your teeth are often touching when you aren't chewing, you could actually be clenching? The scientific term for clenching or grinding your teeth is bruxism, and it can cause serious damage to your oral health. Stress is one of the top causes of bruxism, and when left untreated, bruxism can lead to shortened or flattened teeth, gum recession, scalloping of the sides of the tongue, jaw joint problems, and cracked and chipped teeth. If stress is the cause of your bruxism, the healthiest way to prevent serious damage is to reduce the level of stress in your life. It can require a conscious effort to stop clenching or grinding your teeth during workouts, traffic commutes, or when concentrating on a particular task. If you find yourself clenching, grinding, or chewing on something that isn't food, stop and swallow. Then, place your tongue between your upper and lower teeth. Performing this ritual throughout the day can help you break the cycle of daytime bruxism. You can also work with your dentist to protect your teeth from the irreversible damage that stress can cause. Ask your dentist for a custom-made professional mouthguard. We recommend most people wear this appliance while sleeping to protect the teeth from clenching and grinding habits that they cannot control. For more specific recommendations unique to you, speak to your dentist about treatment options that could help protect your teeth from the damage of bruxism.